Just another Saturday in the neighborhood. Stuck like chalk. Oh, M to the G. Ooh, I'm hearing some creakage. There you go. Come on, pull him, pull him, pull him. Hit that stump. No, yeah, use the stump to push off of. There it goes, floating away. Ho! All right, pull, hold up. Oh, I'm coming back.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, this is getting real interesting real quick, man. Oh, he's about to hook on that other tree. There he goes. Oh, he's almost out of it. Hold on, hold on. Let him readjust.
1 week later.
Get behind that tree, yeah, there you go. Ooh, shit! Ah-ho! F that, hey! Ho, ho, come forward. Come forward. All right, ho. Hey, pull that back so it don't get in his track. All right. Oh, we should have it this time. Come back a little bit more. Go back a little bit more. Awesome. All right. All right. Woo-wee. Nice.